personal data. Have you noticed something subtle but unsettling? Your stride isn't quite what it used to be. Maybe you find yourself watching the ground more carefully, reaching for the handrail, or hesitating just a second longer before stepping off the curb. You're not imagining it. Loss of balance is one of the leading silent causes of falls in adults over 50, and one bad fall can divide life into before and after. But here's the encouraging news. Balance is not a talent you either have or lose forever. Balance is a skill, just like writing, just like swimming, just like riding a bike. And whether you're 50, 70, or even 80, you can rebuild it. Today we're going to do two very important things together. First, we'll run 2 quick balance tests that reveal your true stability age. And then, most important, we'll walk through 5 powerful exercises designed to wake up the muscles that keep you steady on your feet. Safety first, important authority moment. Before we begin, rule number 1, safety comes first. Even if you feel confident, please stand in a corner or next to a wall with a sturdy chair nearby. Think of these as your safety guards. And if at any point you feel dizzy, this is not the time to be a hero. Grab support immediately. Test number 1, tandem stance. Our first test is called the tandem stance. This reveals how well your brain manages balance when your base of support becomes very narrow. Get into position. Place one foot directly in front of the other. Heel touching toe, like you're walking a tightrope. Your goal is simple. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Ready? Let's begin. Keep your arms slightly out to the sides. Stand tall, eyes forward. Focus on one fixed point in front of you. You may feel your feet making tiny side-to-side corrections. That's normal. Those are your micro-stabilizer muscles waking up. Stay steady. Stay relaxed. Breathe normally. And stop. How did you do? If you held for close to 30 seconds, excellent. If not, don't worry, because the next part is where real improvement begins. Test number 2, the flamingo pose. This second test is tougher. It measures the strength of your deep stabilizer muscles. Important: if the first test felt very difficult or you lasted under 10 seconds, you may skip this one and go straight to exercise 1. Position: stand next to a wall, arms relaxed but ready. Lift one foot off the ground. You don't need to lift high, just balance on one leg. Ready? Begin. Hold steady. Your standing leg might tremble a little. That's actually a good sign. Those sleepy muscle fibers are waking up. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Your brain needs oxygen to balance. If your foot touches down or you grab support, note your time. That's your current balance score. And relax. Results check. Let's see how you compare. Ages 50, 59. Goal is 30 plus seconds. Ages 60, 69. Goal is 20, 25 seconds. Ages 70, 79. About 15 seconds is good age. 80 plus, even 5 to 8 seconds is excellent. So, how did you do? Pause the video and share your result in the comments. For example, I'm John, 74, from Nebraska, held for 17 seconds. Your comment might motivate someone else watching right now. Now the real work begins. Tests tell us where we are. Exercises are what move us forward. We're going to do 5 movements that target different balance muscles. My advice: don't skip any of them. Each one trains a different piece of your stability system. Exercise 1, one leg stand, control training. Stand tall behind your chair, feet hip width apart, back straight. Core gently engaged. Think of it as your natural corset. Movement: slowly lift your right knee. Bring the thigh up toward a 90-degree angle. Hold for 1 second. Now lower slowly and silently. No dropping, no rushing. Let's alternate legs together. Lift, hold, lower softly. Common mistakes: moving too fast, letting hips shift sideways, holding your breath. Remember, slow equals stronger. Do 10 reps per leg. If you're finding this helpful so far, tap the like button. It helps this video reach more people who need better balance. And exercise 2, side leg raise, hip stability. This one is critical for preventing real-world falls. We're targeting the gluteus medius, your hip stabilizer. Stand sideways to your chair, one hand lightly holding support, back straight, eyes forward. Movement. Slowly lift your straight leg out to the side, small pause at the top, then lower slowly. Again, slow and controlled. Watch for these mistakes. Don't swing the leg. Don't lean your body. Don't lift too high. Keep the knee straight. Do 10 repetitions each side. Exercise 3. Heel to toe rocks, your second heart. Stand facing the chair, feet shoulder width apart, knees soft. Movement flow. Rise slowly onto your toes. Feel the calves engage. Lower to flat. Then rock back onto your heels, lifting the toes smooth, controlled, continuous. Here's something fascinating. Doctors often call the calf muscles your second heart because when your calves contract, they help pump blood back up toward your heart. So this exercise improves balance, circulation, leg endurance. 2 major benefits in one simple movement. Perform slowly for best results. At exercise 4, the coordination cross. This one prevents those awkward foot-tangling moments. Stand in a corner with a chair in front. Weight on left leg. Right foot taps. 1 forward 2. Out to the side 3. Cross over in front to the opposite side. This teaches your brain where your feet are, even in tricky positions. Do 8 to 10 rounds each leg. Exercise 5. Rocking the boat. Advanced balance. Final exercise. Feet wide apart. Knees soft. Arms relaxed. Gently shift your weight. Right, left. Like a slow pendulum. Feet stay planted. Ready for the challenge? If safe, slowly close your eyes. Feel the difference? Now your brain must rely on internal balance signals. Keep swaying smoothly. Start with 30-40 seconds, building toward 1 minute over time. If dizzy, open eyes immediately. Encouraging close. Take a moment, breathe, and give yourself credit. You showed up today, and that matters more than perfection. If you felt a little wobble, that's not failure. That's your body waking back up, because the human body is remarkably adaptable. With just 15 minutes a day, many people notice real improvements within weeks. Walking feels more confident. Stairs feel less intimidating. Your stride feels lighter and steadier. Tell me in the comments, which exercise felt the most helpful today, and how do your legs feel right now? Subscribe so we can keep strengthening your body together. Until next time, stand tall, move confidently, and take good care of yourself.